Hello, Twin Force Fusion, and it's like currently minus 20 degrees Celsius. I'm about to drop my car at a guy who does some custom work regarding the exhaust. I'm going to completely change my mid pipe on the system. So right now you have a ultimate performance 3-inch down pipe with the stock mid pipes with no resonators. The OEM resonator is gone, but 2 cheapies are there for now, and it ends with an MRT modified with HP2 muffler. So I'm going to give a few wide open throttle gas so you could hear the before and after. So this is the before. And I'll have the after in a few weeks. Bye.